in south central Wisconsin.
That's my area.
Until 5:15 p.m.
Close to my area.
At 4:44 p.m. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Waunakee, Windsor, Pete Forest, Morrisonville, and Token Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.